Hi, my name is Gloria Sumter, and I am your teacher, trainer, coach for this masterclass. It is natural teaching, natural learning. Have you ever wondered what a dice, a dry erase marker, dry erase board, a children book that's very diverse, a package of alphabet cookies, a large bag of stuffed animals, children, cartoon characters, and 3 books, 3 folders. Numbers, shapes, and alphabet, what they all have in common. They're all teaching tools that you have around your house. I'm going to present to you a way to teach your children at home. If you're pregnant, if you're expecting, if you want to be expecting to be pregnant in the near future, if you have children from ages 1 to 4, this class is for you. This training is for you. This coaching is for you. I'll see you in a little bit.